My video game is called Boulder Dash, and this is presented by me. The gameplay. During the gameplay, the player will be moving left, right, forwards, and backwards to dodge boulders that will be falling from the top of the screen. If the player gets hit, it is game over and they must restart. Each boulder that falls to the bottom of the screen without hitting the player is counted as 1 point, and the goal is to get the highest score. As a gamer, I want to move the character using 4 arrow keys so that the character can navigate the game scene. I want to move the character without leaving the game scene so that the shooter does not disappear from the screen. I want the character to receive a special ability when they collide with the power-up so that they can store it for later. As a gamer, I want to press the start button on the menu screen so that I can enter the game. I want the character to die on impact when they collide with a boulder so that the game will restart. And I want to press the spacebar to use my special ability so that I can clear the screen of all obstacles. This is for the boulder. As a boulder, I want to appear at random locations so that the user will not know where I am going to appear. I want to move down on the screen so that the character must dodge me. I want to be deleted whenever I hit the bottom of the screen so that new boulders can spawn without there being clutter. I want to slowly increase my speed of movement over time so that it makes it more difficult for the character to dodge me. And I want to increase how many boulders there are over time so that it makes it more difficult for the character to dodge me. This is for the menu screen. As a menu, I want to describe how the game works to give the player some instruction before playing. I want to show an example of the character that the player will be playing as, the boulder, and the power-up so that the player knows what the different objects are. I want to have a start button so that the player can click the button once they are ready to enter the game. Here's for the power-ups. I want to appear at random locations so that the user will not know where I am going to appear. I want to appear randomly throughout the game so that the user will not know when I will appear. I want to be deleted once I hit the bottom of the screen so that the user cannot receive me if I pass them. And I want to be deleted once the character collides with me so that the user knows that they have received a power-up. And that's my game.